Welcome. If you're tired of getting interrupted by call notifications from a specific chat in Messenger, there's a simple way to mute them without missing out on messages. Here's an updated, step-by-step guide to help you mute call notifications for any chat so you can enjoy peace and quiet whenever you need it. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. Once you're in, scroll through your conversations and tap on the chat you want to mute. This could be a one-on-one conversation, or even a group chat. Messenger lets you control notifications for each chat individually. Now that you're inside the chat, look to the very top of the screen and tap the person's name or the group name. This will open up the chat settings, where you'll find all sorts of options to customize your experience. Next, find and tap on Notifications and Sounds. This is where you can fine-tune what alerts you get from this chat. You'll see a list of notification options, including one specifically for calls. To mute call notifications, simply toggle off the switch next to Calls. This means you won't get notified when someone tries to call you from this chat, but you'll still receive message notifications if you want them. After turning off call notifications, Messenger will ask you how long you want to keep them muted. You'll see several options, like 15 minutes, 1 hour, 8 hours, 24 hours, or until I change it. For a more permanent solution, select Until I Change It. This way, call notifications will stay off until you decide to turn them back on, and that's it. You've successfully muted call notifications for that chat. If you ever want to get call alerts again, just follow these steps and toggle the switch back on. Taking control of your Messenger notifications is easy and can make a big difference in your day. Whether you're working, studying, or just need a break, now you know exactly how to mute call notifications for any chat in Messenger. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your uninterrupted time.